Hi, I'm Sandy Genovese and welcome to this episode of the Ellison Education video series. ¿Cómo se llama? Well, I'm asking what's your name in Spanish because we're going to make flashcards today that help the kids practice their English, Spanish vocabulary words. Here I've called it ¿Cómo se llama? And I'm holding a box closed with just a belly band. So all this is just a piece of paper that's wrapped around. And when I slide the belly band off, that's what will hold the box closed. We're going to see how to make the box. And then inside, I'm using the Llama die, which I love, in order to feature the title. ¿Cómo se llama? What's your name? And then my name is Llama. So, me llamo Llama. And then after you have the cover, you're just going to have a stack of cards that have English on one side and Spanish on the other side. So there are tons and tons of die choices that allow you to do this. You can have your students bring in magazine pictures, catalog photos, all kinds of things so that they can build their vocabulary. And you make the box deep enough to just keep accommodating more cards as they learn more words. In order to start, I think we'll probably want to start with the box. So let me take this and show you that I started with a square that was 8 1/4 inch square. So both sides are 8 1/4 inch. That's going to be for the bottom. The top needs to be just an 1/8 inch larger. So 8 3/8 is the measurement for the top of the box. So 8 1/4, 8 3/8. In order to create the box shape, it's surprisingly easy to do. What you want to do is come in 1 inch from the side. So with a ruler, you can mark an inch from every side. Then you're going to just lay the ruler down from your tick marks, and with a bone folder or whatever scoring tool you use, you're going to score on that 1 inch line on all 4 sides of the box. So once you've gone all the way around and done this on all 4 of the edges, you'll have the score lines. The next thing you want to do, and I've gone ahead and done it, is you're going to cut along this score line to where the 2 score lines intersect. So I've just gone right to here. I'm going to do the same thing on this edge, just cutting a little tiny pie slice divot, and then directly across, I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to cut the little pie slice out of here and out of here. And once you have that, then it's really just a question of folding to put the box together. So the score lines are going to make the folding easy. So I'm going to just move my way around, and I'm just making valley folds right on my score lines. Now once you've done all the folding, you're going to put adhesive on these tabs. So if I turn it over and just put a little bit of adhesive on each of the tabs, on each of the 4 corners, then when you pull it together, I'm going to pull it in and pull this up and just push. And when I push the 2 together, you'll see how quickly and easily you actually can create a really cool box. And what's nice about it is you can make it any size to accommodate whatever size you actually want to make your flashcards. If you want to make flashcards that aren't square, you can do that as well. This technique will work with any dimension. This makes the box bottom. You're going to repeat the same process in order to make the lid, and then it's time to look at the cards that are going to sit inside the box. Now, I decorated the first one because of the name with the Llama die. So if you look here, I've cut the Llama out. It also has the little blanket that's going to sit on there, and when you look here, you can see that I've just taken colored markers to add different coloration, and then I've used a sticker sheet. You can also have the kids handwrite or print the title, ¿Cómo se llama?, and then on the back side, what the actual name is. And at this point, then I just have all kinds of white cards that the kids will go through. They can build vocabulary words every day just by placing them inside and putting the Spanish on one side and the English on the other side. Just put them right inside the box and you're good to go. You know, your kids are going to have fun practicing their English and their Spanish vocabulary with these really cool flashcards.